So this is the first quiz. We have two vectors, the vector A, which is 3 plus 5 minus 4, and the vector B, which is 2 minus 4 plus 3. And the quiz asks us for the product A dot B, the result of AXB, the product of A 2A plus 6B dot B, the projection of A in B, and the projection of B in A. So I'm going to begin. I'm going to start with the first part. We need A cross B. We have 3, 5, and minus 4 for the first vector, and we have 2 minus 4 plus 3 for the second vector. The x product is, first we need this part. We're going to take this part first. First is 5 dot 3 minus the other cross, that is minus 4 dot minus 4. Then we are going to take the other numbers. We have to take this one with this one and this one with this one. But we need to first put a minus to change the sign. So we have 3 dot 3 minus 4 dot 2. And finally, we are going to take this part, that is 3 dot minus 4 and minus the 5 with the number 2. So we have already taken all the numbers, and we are going to make the operations, that is 15 minus 16 minus 9 plus, minus 8, because this minus with this minus is plus, but with this minus is minus. And finally, minus 12 minus 10. So we're going to take these numbers for our new vector. When you're taking A cross B, you're going to take a vector C. So with these values, we're going to take our new vector. 15 minus 16 is minus 1, minus 9 minus 8 minus 17, and minus 12 minus 10 minus 22. So we already finished with our first vector. We're going to put it right here. So we have that for the first problem. Our new vector, that is the vector C, it's minus 1, minus 17, minus 22. So this is our vector, this is our result. So we finished the first part. For the second part, we have only, as the problem said, to multiply A dot B. So I'm going to put right here the two vectors. I'm going to put it in vertical side direction to make easier the process. As a difference between AXB, in the second problem we are going to take number. So I'm going to put the numbers of A, that is 3, 5, and minus 4. I'm going to multiply for 2, minus 4, and 3. So it's linear. So we're going to take 6, minus 20, and minus 12. So because we need that number, we're going to make these operations. 6 minus 20 minus 14 and minus 12 minus 26. And we refine our second problem, that is minus 26. So we're going to take this third problem, that is multiply 2 times A and 6 times B, and then multiply it for B. So where I'm going to multiply again the vector A for 2, that is 6, 10, and minus 8. Then we have 6 dot 2 minus 4 and 3, and that is 12 minus 24 and 18. So we have this and this. This is 2A and this is 6B. So now we're going to take the results. This is 2A. And I'm going to put right here the 6B minus 24 and 18. And the problem says that we need to make a summary of this. And we're going to have 6 plus 12, 18, 10 minus 24 minus 14, and minus 8 plus 18 is 10. This is the result of the first part, that is 2A plus 2B. Now we have to multiply it for B. So we're going to dot it with 2, minus 4, and 3. And the result is 18 dot 2, 36, minus 14, minus 4, minus plus 4, 16. We have 1, 4 dot 1, 4 plus 1, 5. And 3 dot 8, it's 24. We have 2, 54. Sorry. I made a mistake because 2A was, I'm going to do it first. This is 6, 5, and minus 4, minus 8. Not plus, this is 10, sorry. And plus 2B, that is, not 6B, that is 12. Minus 24 and 18. These values already had it, but I made a mistake because in here it's 18, minus 14, and minus 10. No, 10, sorry. 10. This is 2A plus 6B. And we're going to multiply it for 2 minus 4 and 3. Yeah, sorry, I made a mistake in this number. So now we have to multiply it to 36. Then we have minus 4 minus 14, and that was 54 and the 3.10, 30. If we make this if we plus these numbers, we're going to 10, this was 6, sorry again. So 2, 1, we have 6, 7, 12. Now this is the real number. We get the third problem, that is 122. The difference with the first problem was that we need a vector, finite vector, and in these two problems we need a number. And finally, we're going to take the projection of A in B. This is explained here by two vectors, and this is B, and this is A. Vector A and vector B. So, if we need the projection of A in B, that is here, this is the projection, and we need to find the magnitude of this. So, we're going to first make the magnitude of A and the magnitude of B. The magnitude of A is made by the square of the numbers elevated in 2. So 3 divided 2 plus 5 divided 2 and minus 4 divided 2. This is the square root of 50. That is 7.07. And this is the magnitude of A. And as the A, we have to know the magnitude of the vector B. That is the same. We have squared of the three numbers divided 2, and we're going to obtain the square of 29. These operations have already had it, and this is equals to 5.38. So now that we have the values of our magnitudes of the vectors, we can make our 5.38. Okay. So I already have the magnitude, and why we need the magnitude? Because the projection of A and B, or B and A in the next problem, we have to take the number of the value of 8.b, that is minus 26. Well, I'm going to put the formula, that is a.b divided into first a. Yeah. So as we in B, this is for the first one, and we need the minus 26 divided into the magnitude of it, that is 5.38, that is equals to minus 4.83. These operations I already have it, but I explained it how to do it. Because I had the writing in the quiz. So, well, we obtained the result of letter D, that is value of minus 4.83. And finally, same operation, but A dot B divided now into A, into the magnitude of A, because of the projection of A and B. I said before that we have the two vectors, vector B and vector A, and then we need this projection, but as this projection, this has a projection right here. So we already have this one, that is minus 4.83, and now we're going to take this projection. So finally we make this with minus 26, that is A dot B that we already have, and the magnitude of A, that is 7.507, and the result is minus 3.67. And finally, we have all the problems solved. So this was the first video for the quiz, for the first quiz, and